Are you preparing for NISM exams? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to register on the portal, take a free demo test, purchase mock test modules, and use our study materials effectively to clear your exam with confidence. Step 1. Registration. First, go to www.nismexams.in. On the top right corner, click on the Login button, then click Register Now. Fill in your details, name, state, city, contact number, and email address. Finally, click Submit. If you're already registered, just click Login and enter your email ID and password. And if you ever forget your password, simply click Forgot Password and reset it easily. Step 2. Choosing and purchasing a mock test. Once your registration is complete, you can select the mock test you want to attempt. Click on the product, check its features, and choose the duration, for example, 15 days or 30 days. Now, click Add to Cart, review your cart, and then click Buy Now. For payment, you can use UPI, QR scanner, net banking, debit or credit card, or other available options. Once the payment is successful, your purchased mock test will appear under My Purchased Exam. Step 3. Accessing study material. Click on your product name to start learning. You'll find multiple mock test sets like Mock Set 1, Set 2, Set 3, and so on. Below the mock tests, you can download short notes for quick revision. Further down, you'll also find chapter-wise video lectures that explain concepts in detail and make learning easier. Please note, the available features may vary depending on the product you choose. Step 4. Taking a mock test. Now let's start a mock test. For example, click on Mock Test Set 4. You'll see the exam interface with a timer. As you answer questions, it will show whether your response is correct or incorrect. Click on Show Answer to see the correct solution along with a detailed explanation. After submitting the test, you can view your exam performance and track your progress by clicking Track My Performance. Step 5. Renewal or new purchase. If you want to renew or buy another product, just click on the button, select your desired product, complete the purchase, and continue learning. At nismexams.in, we provide the most updated study materials, short notes, and mock tests to help you succeed. So don't wait. Register today, start practicing, and clear your NISM exams with ease. Happy learning!